how to install starmatch get it now app. So let's just tap get and double click to install, and then yeah, you'll be able to install it. So yeah, this is the app. Starmatch is finally here. Easily log in, reveal your starmatch, start chatting. VIP members only get instant replies, 50% of chats. So yeah, this is what you can get with a premium subscription. But yeah, it's quite interesting app. So iconic hearts holding. So this is the app which also built Sendit and Locksmith widget, and Sendit, which is obviously like a super viral app. So let's just see how it looks like, and then from here you just need to follow all the instructions to basically create your account. There is a need help button in the top left.